Yo, what's going on YouTube? Ceejaybrand is back. We are back with a brand new tech unboxing video for you guys once again today. Today we are going to be taking a look at that brand new Apple iPad 10th generation. The 10th generation. We now have 6 iPads to pick through. We still have the 9th generation we can buy. So the 10th is out. So we got it. We're going to test it out and see, is it worth it? Because I don't know. Let's go to get right into the video straight after this. All right, you guys, so today we're going to be using a brand new knife this time. This is, of course, the knife that you guys always have seen before. The knife for carved, put that somewhere in, I think it's outside the car. I don't know. So let's go and unbox this right quick. Quick slice movement, that's all, man. We don't need to do that much to this one. Put the knife to the side. Okay. Quick and easy unboxing. Okay, cool. Oh man, my box is damaged. My box is damaged. Ew. That's all cool, man. So this right here is the Apple iPad 10th generation. This is a new iPad they just really released. Like I said, we still do have the 9th generation out, so we're really not for sure why they dropped this one. But this one does have the all new design on it. So now you know that iPad Pro feature, the iPad Air, and the iPad Mini, those all have the same design. So now we have it officially on just the base iPad itself. Now this iPad is only coming with 64 gigabytes at a price point of $449 bucks. So, or either you can go and upgrade this to 256 gigabytes for $599. Now, you ask yourself, why pay $599 for 256 and then a base model iPad when I can go get the iPad Mini or the iPad Air for that same price point? I don't know. I thought about the same thing, but I don't know. But let's go and flip this thing over. Let's open it up because I can't wait to touch it and feel the design. All right. So I did get this from my phone company, so I do have cellular on here. Sometimes I'd be in the car wishing I had an additional phone. I could have got another phone, but I mean, hey, let's get the iPad. It's brand new. Okay. Ooh, I so miss unboxing Apple products. It's so nice and it's just so nice. It's so nice. Put that over here though. Inside the Apple box, of course, you know, we got our typical things. We got the documentation here. I hope we got the sticker this time. I don't know if we get, oh yeah, we got the stickers, baby. We get some stickers, baby. So we got some stickers up in here, and I think that's the only stickers we do have. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and they also gave us the wall adapter. You know, for the iPhones, we got to go buy it. And we get a braided cable. Thank you, Apple. Thank you. I appreciate this. I love this braided cable stuff. It's such a joy. It's such a joy. All right, cool. So that's it with the box. So we're gonna put this portion to the side and focus on this portion. And yeah, let's go ahead and take this thing right here out of its casing. Oh yeah, if you guys haven't known, Apple, they did drop these iPads in some new colors. We do now have the blue, the pink, yellow, and a silver color as well. So that's pretty dope. But of course, I got the blue iPad because I got a blue iPhone. I mean, if they had a space black one, I would have definitely got the space black one. But let's go ahead and turn this one on right quick. And let's see exactly what we getting with this brand new iPad 10th generation. So some key features about this right here, of course, you guys can see there is an all new screen design on here. It does have a 10.9 inch Liquid Retina screen now. Compared to last year's model, I think it was something smaller, probably 10.2, not 100% for sure. We also do have an upgraded camera in here as well. So instead, we now have 12 megapixels for the front and the back camera. But check this out. Not only is the camera sensor bigger, we now have a freaking landscape camera on this iPad. So there's no more, FaceTiming like this. We can now FaceTime this way, and that way, we don't have to, look up to the side. We can just look directly into the iPad, like how you look at your phone and stuff like that. And yeah, you just got it like that. So we're gonna set this thing up right quick, set it up manual. I don't even know my Wi-Fi password here, so I'm gonna take a wing at it. You guys, we're back in today. We first got the iPad all set up, got the Wi-Fi stuff figured out, and I was like, bro, I got cellular on here, and yeah, this did want some Wi-Fi, so we got that all set up, and let's go ahead and get into it. So we got it to the main screen right quick, and I mean, it's very fluid. I like this. Now, I did used to have the iPad Pro 11. I bought that iPad like maybe 2 or 3 times, and I sold it each and every one of the times. I don't know why. I kind of wish I would have kept it, that way I wouldn't have had to buy this and stuff like that, but it's all good. Everything happens for a reason. But like I was saying, we do have that landscape camera in here now, and it's so dope. I mean, being able to just FaceTime, you know, like this would be really cool, you know, instead of having to really like, hey, you know, I'm over here, you know, we're looking all stupid because we're looking over here, but everybody's like, bro, you're in the middle. So that's all fixed. Now this iPad, it also is going to be Touch ID only. There's no Face ID on here, unfortunately, but that's pretty cool. So the Touch ID, it is on the power button itself. I was looking at it and it really looks dope. It doesn't have that like that matte, you know, that matte finish to it. It's like a glossy texture to it, but of course that's because, you know, gotta scan your finger. You see what I'm saying? All right. Now, some other key features about this right here is that the iPad 9, 9th generation, it did have the Apple's A13 Bionic chip. Now in the 10th generation, we do see that A14 Bionic chip. So, you know, it's like a small upgrade. The battery percentage is the same, so we're still getting the same 10 hours of, you know, battery usage. And that's why I was saying, you know, like, is it really beneficial for you to upgrade from the 9th to the 10th generation? In my opinion, it depends on if you like the new design and the new color and the camera, you know. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty much the same. This right here doesn't support the Apple Pencil 2, unfortunately. It only supports Apple Pencil 1, so therefore, with this being a USB-C, iPad, you will need to go get a dongle that's going to be lightning to USB-C, and then yeah, I think that's how it works. I don't know how it exactly, yeah, I think it's lightning to USB-C. I have no idea, honestly. I won't be getting a pencil, I don't think so. If I get a pencil, I'll probably get something different. I don't know. I truly don't know. I mean, then that's pretty much it with it. I mean, we got Wi-Fi 6 in here. We got 5G capability if you do go ahead and get that cellular option. There is Bluetooth 5.2 in here as well. And also, instead of having those speakers where it just plays, you know, in one direction, we now have, no pun intended, we now have the stereo speakers in here. So we can do a quick test run, I think so. We can find something. I don't even know what my password is. I see I'm gonna have to put my fingerprint on the left side because since it's like that. But yeah, we do have the stereo speaker system in here now, so that's pretty dope. So therefore, you know, when you know how Apple's moving over to the spatial audio, like I said, I mean, you know, it's the iPad 10th generation. It's pretty much the same exact thing as the 9th generation iPad. Now this right here, it is leaning towards more of those, I don't want to call you guys, I don't want to call us basic consumers, but you know, the people that are actually in school. You know, there's a lot of schools that already got the 9th generation out with that Apple, you know, the 1st generation Apple Pencil. My school personally gave us, you know, the 9th generation iPad, or actually the 6th generation iPad with the 1st generation Apple Pencil, I believe so. So, you know, that's what I believe this product right here really came out for. It's for, you know, schools like that. You know, we got to upgrade for you. Now you got colors for it and stuff like that. But that's all we got for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.